Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I got the crazy CatLady box, y'all. I'm so excited, so excited. This is the December box. I did place an order with CatLady Box because they're having fabulous sales. Every day they have something fabulous on sale. And I placed an order, and I sort of thought that's what this was when I saw it. But so I did open it, just, you know, I peeked in and I'm like, oh no, that's not my order. So this is the December box. I am just so excited and happy, and this is like a dream come true for me, y'all, because the CatLady Box has been sending me boxes each month, and they're not, you know, this is for review, PR. I mean, this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats is getting the CatLady Box. I'm so excited, y'all. So anyway, Smudge is up here, but he's not coming over. We'll see what happens when I open the box. So you can see, you know, free for review. There's nothing I could possibly, I'm sorry, just trying to knock something over. I'm so excited. I'll love everything because that's how this box is so joyful. It just makes everybody happy. All right, so it has tape on it here. It was in an outer packaging. I'm not sure why they did that. Maybe because of the weather, because it's, you know, rain and snow and what have you, and to keep the box from being damaged. So let's open it up. These boxes are nice, by the way. If the cats don't take over them, which they do, they take over them for beds. But I have been able to mangle a couple, you know, that they didn't get to have, and I'm using it for storage. Because look at their nice cardboard. They're very nice. So you can recycle them, in, you know, in your closets. They're nice to use. So this is the card this month. Look how cute is that? That looks like Silent Night to me is what it's reminding me of. Now there is a cat with it. I think that, well, I don't know. That looks, is that a champagne glass? And yeah, it's New Year's Eve, or, you know, Christmas, whatever, celebration, holiday. Not everybody celebrates Christmas. So anyway, it does say December 2022. It says the perfect gift, which it is. If you know any cat people, they would adore this box. And they have things you can shop. There's things you can buy in the shop. So this is the featured CatLady artist. Every month they feature an artist, and this is Julia Martishkina. I can't say it. Martishkina. A lot of difficult names to pronounce, but fabulous illustrator. She's an illustrator, mom, traveler, and a big dreamer. Welcome to her world. And then they give her website. They always give the artist's website. If you're ever interested in knowing what that is, I'd be happy to send it to you. And then also CatLady Cares. On the back of every card, you know, this card shows us what we have in here. It tells you where, let me read it to you. It says Gulf Coast Humane Society, Precious Pets Almost Home Rescue, Pequosin Animal Welfare Sanctuary, the Cats at Long Street, and Good Karma Pet Rescue of South Florida. Because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. Isn't that wonderful? So they choose different rescues every month to support. So let's see what we got. Oh, I'm so excited because I can see the card. Oh, this is how it looks. It has a nice tissue, and it always has a CatLady sticker on it. And it's almost impossible to not, you know, damage the paper and everything, but this is stuffed. It's stuffed. It's stuffed with stuff, y'all. So the first thing I'm seeing, this is just adorable, is this adorable hat. Look how cute is that. You know, I just have really fine hair. So if I put a cap like this on and I take my hair off, you know, I have that electricity in it. So I don't really wear caps like this, but my sister has the most fabulous, long, curly, gorgeous, like angel hair. Her hair is like angel. Thick, beautiful hair, and she wears caps like this, and she is a cat lover, and I'm going to send this to her. I think she's going to like it. It says Knit Cat Beanie Hat, the perfect hat to keep you warm in cozy CatLady style. The value is $19.99. Excuse me. And there's the CatLady tag on there, and can you see it's got the ears, and it's got the whiskers and the nose on here. Isn't that cute? And it's a great color for winter. I love that. I think that my sister will like it. It's so soft, and it's nice and stretchy. I love it. Thank you, CatLady Box. We love that. We love that. I want to tell you the pricing of the CatLady Box so that you'll know if you're interested in getting this. And like I said, you can also go to their shop and shop. The CatLady Box is $34.99 a month, and that is for the CatLady owner. And then there's the Crazy CatLady Box, and that's $43.99 a month. And that is for the owner, and they also send some nice toys. Very nice quality toys. The toys that we've received have always been great quality, and they usually just adore them. So this is what we have. Smudge, he was right, of course. Now I stopped filming, and I started filming and he moved. Smudge, come on. Well, maybe he'll come back. Maybe he'll come back, because I have the cutest toys. We've got, well, let's not do the toys then. We'll see if he comes back. All right, we have the cute hat, cute hats. And then we have these retro cat wine glasses. I adore these. There's a set of 2 in here. This is valued at $22.99. It says, "Cheers to cats. Our new exclusive cat wine glass set makes any beverage a meowsing." Let's look at them. I have seen, maybe not exactly these, but similar glasses before. I have gotten some beautiful crystal glasses from them in the past. But they've had this. This is a design that they use, this retro design. It's super cute. We'll get one unboxed for you. Oh, this is great. These are really cool because you can use them for anything. You know, you can use them for soda or tea, iced tea, you know, anything like that. Look how pretty they are. Okay, here comes Smudge again. Okay, so they are, does it say the size? Does that look like it's 16 ounces maybe? Hand wash only. It says do not microwave. So it tells you all that kind of good stuff. Cheers to cats. Oh, it's 19 ounces. That's a great size. So I don't know if you can see, well, yeah, can you see it's black and white design and super cute black cats with the white retro design behind there. And then right down here, I just saw it, is the CatLady little logo. Can you see it? Right there. How cute are those? I'm going to start using those right away. I love that. Because, you know, you can use any, you don't have to use them for wine, but you can. You coming through, Smudge? Okay, come on. Let me move that over for you. And then, well, let me show you, since he's back, let me show you the toys. Here's Smudge. Look at this. This is adorable. This says Meowie and Bright, an ornament catnip toy. So this has you really could hang this up. You can see it's an ornament. It's like one of those old-fashioned glass ornaments. It says, an ornament your cats are actually allowed to play with, stuffed with premium nip. Value $4.99. So he'll love this. I'll have to take this off, though, for you, Smudge, okay? You know how cats are with trees. I've been watching all kinds of videos on Instagram of the cats just tearing up the trees. So, and now this right here, y'all. This is what, well, first of all, yes, Smudge does like the plastic. But this is his favorite kind of toy. Now, he loves this. So does Blue. They love any kind of toy they can bat around, and they love the catnip. But Blue likes this too. But Smudge's very favorite kind of a toy is me to play with him. Something like this. So this is a diamond. Let's see. There's a CatLady tag. It says dangling diamond, and there is the diamond, and it's soft and squishy. It's like a pillow. I think there's probably there's catnip in there too. It says a real gem of a toy. Your kitties will love to chase this feathery catnip treasure. And he sure will. He will love this. And look at this, it has a long cord to it. This is his favorite kind of thing. So much so, you know, he'll, after we're done playing, he'll carry this away with him. And I might not, you know, sometimes I can't find them after he gets a hold of them. He shoves them under the doors and closets. I find them later, you know. So this, all right, see, this is a nice long cord to it. So you like that, Smudge? Yeah, we'll have a lot of fun playing. So it's got this nice plastic handle that is, you know, it's got a little give to it, which is good because they'll pull on it and everything. And then look at that. It's really nice and long. So this, I can play with this with him, you know, from standing up, from sitting on the couch or anything. See? He loves that. Yeah, you like that? And he likes string too. And there is a catnip in here. I've got to take the tag off too, Smudge. We've got to take that tag off. You like that? And it's got a feather. I know you like feathers. Blue especially likes feathers. So that is a lot of fun. Look at that. That's valued at $5.99. And then every box has some sort of wearable item. And I know we have the hats, but we have a second wearable. We have a t-shirt. And it is, let me move back a little bit because now he's right here. Every cat lady knows if you see a cat, you always stop to try to pet it or at least say hi. That is so true. What color is this? It's a really dark, dark green. I love it. They're t-shirts, y'all. Y'all see me wear them, you know, during, with some filming here and there. And they're so soft and they wear well and they wash well. What I do with any kind of t-shirt, any kind of cotton, I wash them in the washing machine and then I put them in the dryer for like 10, 15 minutes the most, and then I hang them up, you know, so that they don't get a lot of wrinkles in them, and you don't want them to shrink. I'm not saying these would shrink because I don't know, but I think they are 100%, they're 100% cotton, so you have to take care of them. This is Canvas, Bella Canvas brand, and it says, hold on, I see a cat. That is exactly me. Hold on, I see a cat. They could add, or a dog. I always have to stop and say hello. Okay, Smudge. We'll play, we'll play. But I love that. It's a really dark, dark green, if you can see. Stop, hold on, I see a cat. Thank you so much, CatLady Box. We love, 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 love this box. This is such a treat, y'all. For anybody that, how did we get that tangled, Smudge? For anybody that has a cat, anybody that knows people with cats, they would adore this. Their cats would adore this. The people would adore this. How much fun, y'all. And you tell them your size, your t-shirt size. And like I'm a plus size, so you add a couple of dollars for that. So Smudge and I are gonna have a lot of fun here, and I'm gonna say count your blessings. Let me, if I show you really fast, if I can, we've got the adorable cat. I love that. And we've got the 2 of these glasses. I didn't open up the other one yet because Smudge is right here. But these, I can't wait to use them. I'm gonna use one tonight. And the beautiful t-shirt, hold on, I see a cat. And the cat toys. We've got the ornaments. This is like a plush, a nice soft plush. And the diamond, what is this called? Dangling diamond cat toy. So thank you all so much for stopping by and seeing the CatLady Box. And we're just so excited and happy to have it. And y'all take care and count your blessings. You like that, Smudge? Yeah, isn't that fun? You like that? Let me cut that off. Let me cut the tags off.